Investing in a Roth IRA involves a series of strategic steps designed to maximize tax-free growth on your contributions. The first step is determining eligibility, as contributions to a Roth IRA are subject to income limits set by the IRS. So once eligibility is confirmed, the next step is to select a financial institution that offers Roth IRA accounts, such as brokerage firms, banks, or mutual fund companies. So after selecting an institution, you're going to need to choose the types of investment for the account. So Roth IRAs provide flexibility in asset selection, including individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate, so among others too. However, it's essential to ensure that your investment strategy aligns with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Given the tax advantages associated with Roth IRAs, which allow for tax-free withdrawals on qualified distributions, many investors choose a diversified portfolio to mitigate risk while pursuing growth. Additionally, contribution limits are imposed annually, and understanding these limits is crucial to maximizing the benefits of Roth IRAs. So once your investment is set, periodic contributions are made directly to the account, adhering to IRS deadlines. Over time, the account can grow tax-free, and if the funds are withdrawn under qualifying circumstances, both principal and earnings are exempt from taxation. Let me know if this helped.